Yo, what's up everybody? It's Random Mindset. We've all been there. That feeling when you're drowning in deadlines. You've got a mountain of work, and it feels like there's just not enough time in the day. Well, guess what? The future is now, and AI is basically magic. We're diving deep into the top 5 AI tools that are about to change the game in 2025. Let's get it. First up, we've got ChatGPT-4. This AI is like having a super smart friend who can write anything for you. Need to draft an email to your professor? ChatGPT-4 has got you. Want a quick summary of that 500-page novel? ChatGPT-4 can handle it. It's even smart enough to help you with your homework. You type in what you need, and bam, ChatGPT-4 spits out high-quality, human-like text in seconds. It's a total game changer for anyone who writes. We've all sent that text or email riddled with typos that makes us cringe, but fear no more, because Grammarly is here to save the day. Grammarly catches all those pesky spelling errors, grammatical blunders, and even those moments where you typed your instead of your. But it's not just about fixing mistakes. Grammarly also helps you improve your writing style, making you sound clearer, more concise, and way more professional. It's like leveling up your language skills without actually having to go back to school. Chapter 3, Midjourney Unleash Your Inner Artist. Now this one is for all the creatives out there, or those of us who can barely draw a stick figure. Midjourney is an AI that transforms words into art. Think about it. You could type in something like, a cyberpunk cat riding a unicorn through a neon city, and Midjourney would create a masterpiece. The coolest part, you don't need any artistic skills whatsoever. Just type in your idea, and let Midjourney do its magic. Chapter 4, ElevenLabs, The Future of Voice. Ever recorded a voiceover and thought, wow, I sound like a robot from a 1980s movie? Yeah, we've all been there, but with ElevenLabs, those days are over. This AI generates incredibly realistic sounding voices, like scarily realistic. ElevenLabs opens up a world of possibilities for video creators, podcasters, and anyone who wants to add a touch of professional voiceover magic to their projects. Plus, it's just plain fun to play around with. It's like having a voice-changing superpower. Chapter 5. Notion AI, your AI brain extension. Let's be real, life can get messy. You've got notes scattered everywhere, to-do lists that are longer than your arm, and trying to remember where you wrote down that brilliant idea is like trying to find a needle in a haystack. But don't worry, Notion AI is here to organize your life. This AI is like having a personal assistant living inside your computer. It can take notes for you, create detailed to-do lists, and even summarize complex documents into easy-to-digest bullet points. Notion AI keeps everything organized and easily accessible so you can focus on what really matters. The future is AI. So there you have it. 5 incredible AI tools that are guaranteed to make your life easier, more productive, and way more fun. From writing emails to creating art to organizing your entire digital life, these tools are changing the game. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these AI tools are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments down below. And hey, while you're there, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech content. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.